We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed overview of the Vorspack Toiletry Bag, Hanging Dopp Kit for Men, water-resistant canvas shaving bag with large capacity for travel in brown. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Vorspack Toiletry Bag stands out in the crowded world of travel accessories, combining a classic design with practical features that address the needs of modern travelers. Measuring 10 by 5.5 by 5 inches, this bag offers a generous main compartment that easily accommodates facial cleansers, electric shavers, travel-sized shampoos, and a variety of other toiletries. Inside, 3 small mesh pockets and 1 long zippered mesh pocket provide dedicated spaces for smaller items, ensuring that everything remains organized and easy to find. The addition of a front zipper pocket further increases its storage capacity, allowing users to separate frequently used items for quick access. Constructed from sturdy and wearable canvas material, the Vorspack bag is designed to withstand the rigors of travel. The canvas is complemented by PU leather accents, which not only enhance the bag's durability, but also contribute to its stylish, masculine appearance. Many users have commented on the absence of any unpleasant odors from the materials, which is often a concern with lower quality travel bags. The bag's water-resistant properties are a significant advantage, providing peace of mind when packing liquids or using the bag in damp environments such as bathrooms and hotel counters. The design of the Vorspack Toiletry Bag is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Available in multiple colors, it appeals to a wide range of tastes and preferences, making it an excellent gift option for husbands, boyfriends, or friends who travel frequently. The leather handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable carrying and hanging, which is especially useful in tight spaces or when you need to keep your toiletries off wet surfaces. The reinforced bottom, also made with leather, adds to the bag's overall durability and helps it maintain its shape over time. One of the most frequently praised aspects of this bag is its capacity. Users consistently report that the bag is larger than expected, which is a welcome surprise for those accustomed to overstuffed or cramped toiletry kits. The spacious interior allows for the inclusion of bulkier items such as electric razors and chargers, while still leaving room for additional grooming essentials. The multiple pockets and compartments make it easy to separate items, reducing the frustration of digging through a jumbled bag to find what you need. The quality of the zippers is another highlight. The bag features smooth SBS zippers which glide easily and do not catch or snag even when the bag is fully packed. This attention to detail extends to the stitching and overall construction, with users noting the absence of loose threads or weak seams. The bag arrives well-made and ready for immediate use, with many reviewers expressing confidence in its long-term durability based on its initial build quality. In terms of versatility, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag excels. While it is marketed primarily as a men's shaving and toiletry kit, its design makes it suitable for a variety of uses. Some users have repurposed it as a makeup organizer, a general travel pouch, or even a storage solution for small electronics and cables. Its unisex styling and practical features make it a flexible addition to any travel setup. Value for money is a recurring theme in user feedback. The bag is frequently described as offering excellent quality at a reasonable price point. This combination of affordability and premium features has made it a popular choice among travelers seeking a reliable toiletry solution without breaking the bank. The bag's appearance matches the product images, and buyers have found that it meets or exceeds their expectations upon arrival. Despite its many strengths, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag is not without its minor drawbacks. Some users have noted that the bag lacks a rigid, boxy frame, which means it may not always hold its shape when empty or underpacked. This is a common trade-off with soft-sided travel bags, and while it does not affect the bag's functionality, it may be a consideration for those who prefer a more structured appearance. A few reviewers have suggested that the manufacturer consider adding a sturdier frame in future iterations to address this concern. Another point raised by users is the need to handle the bag with care, particularly regarding the faux leather accents. While the materials are generally durable, rough handling or excessive wear could potentially lead to scuffs or damage over time. However, this is typical of most travel bags and can be mitigated by treating the bag with reasonable care during use. The bag's size, while generally seen as a positive, may be slightly larger than necessary for travelers who pack very light or only require a minimal amount of toiletries. For most users, however, the extra space is a welcome feature, allowing them to avoid the frustration of cramped or overflowing bags. Overall, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag has received overwhelmingly positive feedback from users across various platforms. Its combination of large capacity, organized compartments, sturdy construction, and stylish design make it a standout choice for anyone in need of a reliable travel toiletry solution. The bag's versatility and value for money further enhance its appeal, making it suitable for a wide range of users and travel scenarios. Many reviewers have shared stories of purchasing the bag as a gift for loved ones, who then found it to be an indispensable part of their travel routine. The bag's ability to eliminate the use of plastic shopping bags or outdated toiletry kits has been particularly appreciated, with some users expressing relief at finally having a dedicated and attractive solution for their grooming essentials. In summary, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag Hanging Dopp Kit for Men offers a well-balanced blend of style, functionality, and durability. Its spacious interior, multiple organizational pockets, and high-quality materials set it apart from many competing products in its price range. The bag's water-resistant properties and smooth zippers add to its practicality, while its classic design ensures it remains attractive even after extended use. Minor drawbacks, such as the lack of a rigid frame, do little to detract from the overall positive impression left by this product. If you are looking for a toiletry bag that combines ample storage, thoughtful organization, and a stylish appearance, the Vorspack Toiletry Bag is an excellent choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with this bag, please leave a review in the comments to assist other viewers in making their decision.